Hi guys, ako si JZ. Ngayon ay tumitingin ako rito sa Pinterest ng reference. Dahil dito, makapag-browse kayo ng free lang, walang bayad. And sobrang sayang mag-browse dito and sobrang nakaka-enjoy talaga. Ang problema ko lang is sobrang indecisive ko talaga and I keep looking and browsing here for an hour. Ngayon ay gagawa ako ng 20-minute sketch because my hands are getting dull because of the hectic schedule. Nagkaroon kami ng 3 research and defense sa tatlong yon. And gladly we are done. And now I am here trying to get back and become productive again. By the way, I am a psychology student. And if you want content about psychology, just comment down below. For now, let's focus here. When I am doing a portrait, I always start with the nose. But here, as you can see, I did do it because I'm excited about the form. Pero hindi naman mahalaga na kopyahin mo mismo yung nasa reference. As long as makuha mo yung form and as long as masaya ka rito. It doesn't have to be perfect. And syempre, kailangan makita rin talaga yung sarili nyong style sa mga dinodrawing nyo. You have to enjoy. You have to learn. You have to explore. And love your art. It's okay to feel that your art ay hindi ganun ka-okay and hindi ka nasa-satisfied dito. Ang mahalaga na dadaanan mo yung tamang progress at bawat process. And it only means that you are improving and that there is a lot of room for improvement. Darating yung araw na magkakaroon ka ng satisfaction sa ginagawa mo. Kaya magpatuloy ka lang yung pagkasayan mo pa. Ayun lang guys, and I hope na kahit onte ay may nakuha kayong message dito sa video na to. And comment lang kayo kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pang content para sa next video. And ayun lang guys. Thank you sa panonood.